So I'm here to show you exactly how I plant our favorite vegetable, the fluted pumpkin or ugu, in containers. I'm going to show you everything that I do step by step. All right, now let's plant our ugu. Again, make sure that the container has drainage at the bottom. The other thing that you need, obviously, is the growing medium, potting mix soil. I got this one from Sam's Club. You can get it from anywhere. And I'm going to use, again, this is blood meal. It says organic. This one has a very high nitrogen content. I'm going to mix it in with the soil, following the instructions it tells you. So this pot, I already went ahead and measured. The diameter is a 22-inch pot, and it tells you the size of the pot and how much of the blood meal to apply. In my case, I'm going to use 1 cup per container of soil. Okay, I'm going to use a total of 1 cup of our blood meal. So here's a half cup, mix it in the first layer. And then I'm also going to use 1 cup of the pure organic gold Dr. Earth, organic and natural handcrafted blend, all-purpose fertilizer. This is organic. This is organic blood meal. You don't have to use all organic, it's up to you. Use what you can find. So it's going to be a total of 1 cup. So I'm putting in the first layer, mix it thoroughly. Then I'm going to put the rest of the soil. This thing takes around 1.5 bags of this soil. Here comes the other half cup, and half cup. We're gonna mix it in. I'll plant 2 in this one. 2. Make a hole. We're planting it at soil level, so make sure it's gonna fit. Then when I hold it in place like so, flip it. You see, this is ready to move into a bigger pot. It's not really root bound. If you want, you can loosen it up. If not, that's fine. We're gonna put it in, and then I just there you go. Plant this next one. This is what I was able to build. The trellis system, the banda for our okongobong. So what I'm going to do now is trying to strain the vines. I'm going to use some of these clips, plant clips here. I got these from the dollar store, but they do have some at Walmart or online. So I'm going to use this to try to train the vines on the trellis for a start. Try to untangle this. It's all a tangled up mess at this point. try to hold it up here. We're going to clip the tips so that the ugu can branch out. So I'm just going to clip this very tip so it can branch out and bush out for me. The tips. And look for all the tips for the ones that have at least 10 leaves. So what I'm doing is counting from the bottom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one has only 8 leaves. I'm going to leave it alone. If it has 10 leaves or more, then I clip the tip so it can branch out. So that's what we have. And here's the final step, the final watering step. This is our fish fertilizer. It's organic. I have some rainwater in here. I'm going to put about 5 tablespoons. You have to make sure you shake it properly, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put a couple of drops of Super Thrive. Don't have to, but that's enough. Now we're going to mix this and then water the plants and make sure it's properly diluted. And this right here is what the setup can become.